Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today what I filmed was this easy 10-minute makeup tutorial. Like, this actually can take 10 minutes. It's really simple, super easy as well. So love that for us. Yeah, when I was in Portugal, I didn't want to put on a full face every day just because it was quite hot, and then I wanted to tan my face as well. Yeah, so I didn't want to like have to just keep putting makeup on and off. So I just did this one day in like 5 minutes that I had, and I thought it looked quite cute. It probably didn't take me 5 minutes when I did this. It probably took me like 15 because I was talking and I have the biggest blabbermouth. But you can get it done in like between 5 and 10 minutes. Like, it's legit like an actual 10-minute makeup tutorial, because I know that a lot of 10-minute makeup tutorials, including like all of mine, are not actually 10 minutes. So love that for us, but this one actually is, so yay. I've blabbered already in this intro, so all I'm gonna say, leave a like, comment, subscribe if you're new here. We've got Sitsy vlogs coming, we've got my puppy vlog coming. I'm picking up a puppy, if you don't know. Like, I'm getting a puppy, so yeah, you want to stay tuned for that. She's adorable. My social medias are in the description box below, so if you want to follow me on those, feel free. And yeah, that's it for the intro. So here's me doing this makeup look in 10 minutes. Well, probably a bit more because I talk a lot, but yeah, enjoy the video. My camera's already flashing red, so this could take longer than 10 minutes, but it's just if my camera dies. So make sure your hands are clean, and we gotta moisturize. You know the drill. This is my Glam Glow Volcasmic one. In my all-nighter video, a lot of you guys were asking what moisturizer it was, and it's this one. This is like my favorite thing ever. I think they might be discontinuing it though, I don't know. I just found it on sale, and it's never normally on sale. It was like half price, so I got two. If it doesn't match my neck, it's because I've just been to Portugal and I'm tan, but my neck doesn't tan because I put sunblock on it because I don't want it to go wrinkly. So yeah, it's gonna be a bit darker, but it will match the rest of my body, hopefully. We're also not gonna be using too much powder in this video, so I'm gonna use a primer. This is my Hangover X one. Yeah, I just got back from Portugal yesterday, and when I was out there, I wasn't in the mood to wear a full face because I don't like wearing a full face just for like a couple hours. I only wear a full face if I'm going out or if there's like a whole day, and I would sit by the pool for half a day and then just go out for dinner, and I could not be bothered to just go do my makeup for an hour then have to take it all off. That's not my vibe. This is like a literal 10-minute makeup thing, but it still kind of looks cute. I don't know, you guys can let me know if you think it looks cute or not. And it does genuinely take 10 minutes. I mean, it probably won't take me 10 minutes today because I'm like a huge blabbermouth. I'm gonna mix two foundations because this is what I was doing in Portugal. So that's just the Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Praline, and the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Liquid in the shade Y415. Here's my beauty blender. If you're anything like me, your beauty blender has to be dirty and it can never be clean because
we're filthy.
I actually cleaned one the other day. I love how I'm like proud of that. I cleaned one the other day. Basically what happens is I leave a beauty blender down here to film with, right? And then it's not even damp and I've already clicked record. This happens every time. So I just have to run and dampen it and I don't have time to clean it. So look at, blend it down to your t-shirt and no one will clock you being orange. I mean, I know you guys will. If you want to like speed this up even more, you can use a brush. And we've got to go into the hairline as well because I always forget to do this because I'm blonde, so I don't like to go too far into the hairline because then it turns it a bit orange. But otherwise it just looks a bit weird. So, you know, we just gotta go with it and either have orange hair or a weird ass looking hairline. So pick one, guys. Taking this over my eyelids as well, just for like a base. You know, I actually feel really ill right now because, as I said, I just got off a plane yesterday. And I was actually feeling a bit rough in Portugal as well. I just felt really sick and I still don't feel great. It is what it is, I guess. I'm actually quite not energetic, but like I'm not being moody, but I'm just letting you guys know that I do feel ill. What was the point in that, Kirsty? Like, yeah, I'm putting in effort. I feel ill and I'm still filming, guys. Sorry, also, if I'm not looking down the camera, my mirror's here. You guys know the drill by now. I'm like blind. I wear contact lenses. I can't use the viewfinder as a mirror. So this is the Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Almond. I normally use the NARS Radiant Creamy in the shade Macadamia. I'm mixing it with the NARS one in the shade Canal, and then I might put a little bit of foundation over the top if it's too light, because you want a bright under eye, but you don't want it too bright. I always want to take it into your inner corner, the concealer, because that's where you get a lot of darkness. I learned that trick from Lauren Curtis when I was like 13, and I was like, oh my god, inner corner concealer. Who remembers all the OG beauty gurus like Sean XO, Lauren Curtis, and obviously there was iconic Zoella, and who was she? Bethany Motor. Oh my god, icon. I'm just gonna go in with some cream contour. The Makeup Revolution foundation stick in the shade F14. This is a Luxie Precision foundation. And I'm just gonna go in, and you want to blend this up. I'm just using this to start off with, and then I'm gonna go over it with my beauty blender. This does actually take 10 minutes if you're not talking to a camera. Don't come for me, sis, because it probably will take me longer than 10 minutes because as I said, I'm the biggest fucking blabbermouth. I'm actually gonna take a little bit more of this NARS Canal. It's all about the base. If you have like, you know, you can do a natural base if you want, but I just like do it full coverage, and then I feel like everything else just kind of work. I don't know, you tell me if you think I'm crazy, but I just think it looks so much nicer. I think spend time on your base and then the rest of your makeup will just fall in place. I just rhyme. My camera's definitely gonna die because it's been flashing red for the whole time I've been filming. Blend it out before you set it, otherwise you're just gonna set in creases. This is the matte one, not the glow one. You don't want too much powder, is what I've clocked. You don't want to set your whole face with powder. Coming from me, I know. But I take it over my smile lines, under my eyes, in the cracks of my nose, a little bit on my chin, over my nose, in the center of my forehead, just a little bit, just pressing it in. It is the majority of your face, but it's not all your face, so don't come for me. Now I'm gonna go back in with the cream that we used to contour. If I can find the damn thing. Here it is. I'm taking this on a Morphe M441. I need a mirror or something. This is like such a good one, the one in the Marc Jacobs thing. I just take this like all over my eyelid and up into my crease basically. Just more of a natural vibe. And then I set it with the Marc Jacobs bronzer. But we're not at that step yet, Kirsty. Stop speeding off. I've missed you guys so much actually. Like I wanted to film so bad when I was in Portugal, but I couldn't because of the way that my room was set up. There would have been no way, like legit no way. And then I was gonna vlog it, but I couldn't vlog it because family stuff happened.
I've just hit pan on this bronzer.
To be fair, I'm surprised it didn't happen earlier, but I'm sad about it. Look how big this bronzer is and I've hit pan in it. That is like how much I love this bronzer. It's the Tantric one, right? That's that. So now let's get another brush. So Morphe M405. Same with the Marc Jacobs bronzer. And I like to, because obviously we haven't set it that much, I'm just like tapping it onto my skin. Perimeters of the face. Brows. I got a new color of the brow wiz. I got one in dark brown for the tail of my brow. Light kind of like filling in motions, I guess. Just whatever like your brows need it. Also ignore my brows because they are in need of a pluck. I forgot to bring my tweezers. And it just gives it a little bit more like fullness, I guess. I mean, you guys can see the difference. Look at that. Look at that. Look at it. Look at this. I'm gonna do my normal eyeliner and I'm gonna put this in my inner corner as well. This is just a brown one. I normally use a black, but you know. Hello, camera. Really? Really? Okay, there we go. Now let's like extend my eye a little bit. You know, just like that. And then same on this eye. Now I'm just gonna go do my mascara off camera and charge you guys up a little bit because it's legit been flashing red the whole time I've been filming. You guys know how to put mascara on. I'm sorry, okay? Bye. I'm probably the least professional YouTuber, but like, hey, we've been you, right? I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter in the shade Mean Money Hustler Baby, right? Did I get that right? Yes, baby cakes. Taking the really glittery shade. I don't know which one it is, but this one is pretty. And I'm just gonna, look at that. Can we just appreciate that? Oh. And forehead. Okay, trust me, I know this doesn't look like it takes 5 minutes. I mean, not 5, 10, God. Trust me, you can do it in 5 or 10 or whatever. As I said, I talk too much. Now we've got to highlight our nosies. Go like this. I do the tip first. And then brow bone. Now let's go in with another highlighter for the inner corner. Wet Dream by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. If you guys want, you can also take a liquid liner just to go over the end. I don't take this in the inner corner, just on the end. If I want a little bit more boom, just some low lash mascara, so let's do that now. Okay, lippity doodah. Who am I, James Charles? What the frick did I just say? Okay, I'm taking Clay Crush by Maybelline. Beige Babe by Maybelline. Oh, guys, look what's happened to my lipstick. Look down there. It's stuck in the lid. How do I get that out? I'll just put it on a brush, I guess. Blouse. Okay guys, so I was gonna fix my hair for my intro and outro, but I was like, okay, I'll just fix it for the thumbnail because I feel really ill right now, if you guys couldn't already tell. This is it. It's actually really quick and easy and I feel like it looks quite cute as well. I don't know, let me know in the comments your guys' thought on the look. Remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe if you are new here. I've got Sitsy next week, so if you are going to that, let me know in the comments below. I would love to meet you guys there. I'm gonna vlog it as well, so stay tuned for the vlog. I'm picking up my puppy as well, so stay tuned for that vlog. That's kind of why I filmed a makeup video, because I didn't want like loads of vlogs in a row, because obviously I had a vlog kind of style video as my last video, and then I filmed another vlog style video that I still need to upload, but I just didn't want that many vlog style videos. I feel like I've just said vlog like 100 times, but whatever. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe if you are new here. Post notification bell as well. My other social medias are all in the description box as well, so feel free to follow me on those if you want. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, love you. Mwah.